Okay, so when you're doing the lash lift and tint together, right now we're at the point where we've already removed step 1, we've already removed step 2. So now it's time to tint the lashes. When you're tinting, you want to make sure you remove the rods, release the lashes off of the rod, and then remove the rod from the skin. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to remove these lashes off the rod and remove the rod and any extra glue that might have been left behind. Remove the rods. Remove any extra glue. I always like to take my mascara brush and just kind of brush through them, make sure that there was no glue left on the lashes before I tint them. I am removing the eye gel pad because I am going to replace it with an eye shield. The reason we use an eye shield versus the eye gel pad is because the eye shield goes underneath the lower lashes so that we are able to tint both the top and bottom lashes. So that's why we replace that. So once those are removed, one more time I'm going to take a cleansing pad and cleanse the natural lashes. Make sure that there was no residue left behind. And then I'm also going to prep the eyebrows, so I'm going to cleanse those as well. So again, I am using an eye shield. They're a whole lot thinner than the eye gel pad. So I'm going to have you open and look up. I'm just going to brush through these little lower lashes, kind of push them up a bit here so that my eye shield can go underneath the lower lashes. This is just helping protect the skin from being stained, but allowing us to tint both the top and bottom lashes. Close. Does that feel okay? Alright. Same on the other side. I'm taking an eye shield, having her open and look up. Brush those lashes up so it makes it easier for the eye shield to go underneath those lower lashes. And if we need to move any out of the way that didn't come up, we can use our brush there. Okay, close. Does that feel okay? Okay, so now that I have that prepped and ready, now I can apply my barrier cream. So I am going to take sanitizer and sanitize my hands. And then I'll take my petroleum jelly. I'll take out what I need and place it at the back of my hand. That way I'm not double dipping into my petroleum jelly and contaminating that. So once I have what I need, I could start prepping. We're going to prep the lashes first. So when we're tinting the lashes, we want to be able to go all the way down to the base so that there's no what seems like grow out from the tint. We want to make sure that we can get all the way down into the base without having to worry about getting the skin stained. So I'm going to do that now. I am prepping right to the lash line, making sure I don't get it on the actual lashes, but I am prepping right to that lash line. If I need to move any lashes out of the way, I could always push it down with my finger or use my mascara brush to hold them down and come in and prep the lash line there. And then I always take and get this little corner here because when we use our eye shield, sometimes we touch that corner. So I always prep that and then I just bring it up just a little bit higher. Again, just so I make sure I don't stain her skin. Same on this side. I'm prepping the eyebrows. I can use the mascara brush if I need to push any lashes down to be able to get right to that base. And then I am getting this little corner here again because when we come in with our eye shield, we sometimes hit that corner. And again, I am gonna bring it up just a bit here to make sure we don't stain the skin. Now moving up to the eyebrows, I'm gonna brush them out and I'm gonna follow the natural shape that she has. So I'm gonna take my petroleum jelly and just follow her natural shape. So I'll get the inner corner first. Doesn't matter where you start as long as you prep them. I just preference like to start on the inner corner and then work my way out. I'm just following her natural shape. That way we don't stain the skin around it. And now you can apply your tint.